Today's video is sponsored by this lovely person. Open your clip in the Fusion page and add a merge node. Bring a Luma Keyer node in empty space, connect your clip to this and drag it to the left viewer. Play around with the Keyer sliders to find out what works best for you. Add a duplicate node after, increase the copies to 8, set the time offset slider to -1.5 and slightly increase the size slider. Go to the Settings tab and uncheck the green and blue channels. Bring a zoom blur node after and increase the zoom amount slider. Open the channel adjustment and play around with the color sliders. Open the center position, right-click to the center value, and select to modify it with shake. Go to the Modifiers tab, bring down the smoothness slider to 1, set the minimum slider to 0.3 and the maximum to 0.7. Connect it to the merge node as a foreground. In case you are an idiot like me and you end up with this terrible image, go back to the Luma Keyer and make sure to uncheck the invert box. From this point, you have to experiment with the nodes, and if you are lucky, you will end up with something usable. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, your opinion doesn't matter.